Hi guys, this is Chair and welcome to another unboxing video. I've been working from home since the pandemic started in 2020 and I have my own office setup at home. I don't have my own room, so my office setup is just in the bedroom, but I have this little corner of workspace and I bought a few stuffs just to add on the setup. I bought a keyboard from Apple and a laptop stand, so that's what we're unboxing today. Let's start unboxing the keyboard first. So here I bought a Magic Keyboard from Apple, but I bought it at Best Buy. Yeah, it's been delivered just yesterday. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so I got the dark gray color because it is the same color as my iPad. So this Apple Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad comes also with other color, which is the silver and white. Ta-da! Look at that, super sleek, really nice with that black matte color. It has full-size arrow key, so this can be good for gaming. And it has the numeric keypad for entering numbers in sheets, for example. So the package also came with a lightning to USB cable. So this is the lightning and then this is the USB end for charging the keyboard, because this keyboard is the wireless one. I already have actually the white one, but it's wired, so that's why I opted to buy this wireless, because I wanted, a desk with less clutter, less wires, so this will be fantastic. This keyboard has a built-in rechargeable battery that could last a month when it's fully charged, and it's compatible with Mac OS 10.12.4 and later for Mac computers, and for iPad it supports iOS 10.3 and later. And the price is 179 Canadian dollar. So this is how it looks like at the back. It has the Apple logo in here. And this is where you plug the lightning cable. So like in here, when you're going to charge this keyboard. Okay, let's open the other one. This is from Prime Cables and it's a laptop stand. Okay, so let's open it. That's nice. So it has its own bag. It's kind of handy because this one is portable and you can bring it with you. Let's take out from this bag. There you go. Okay, so there's an instruction that says open. So probably have to open here. Just pull it. Okay, there you go. So this laptop desk stand is light gray in color, as they've said in the specs, but it looks like white to me, maybe very light gray. It's compact because you can fold it that way, and it's actually lightweight, perfect for not only desktop or your laptop but also for iPad. So the size can be adjusted if you want to maximize it. So this will be the maximum size for your laptop. If you want it narrower for your iPad, then you just have to do this to resize. Okay, I'll do a demo later with my iPad and my desktop for this usage. So I got this from Best Buy as well, and I bought it for just 15.99 Canadian dollar. So this is best for your office setup. You're watching movies in your iPad, so you can use this as a stand. You can use it on your desk, you can use it on your bed. This is available online only at Best Buy, but I think this and then to close it, you just have to do this and then back to its bag. There you go. All right, so let's try the setup. So that's my monitor, and this is where I put my desktop beside. Okay, so that's the setup. This is the wired Apple keyboard that I already have. But yeah, look at this. I want to get rid of this wire being connected to my monitors. So this wireless keyboard will be very convenient for me. I chose the dark gray so that it matches my MacBook Pro, which is also in dark gray. So now we're going to set up this keyboard through Bluetooth connection. So first thing, we need to turn it on. So it has the power button right here at the top right on this edge. So let's turn this on. Go. Okay, and then let's open our Bluetooth setting. Okay, so it was trying to read, and then as you can see, it was able to see the Magic Keyboard numeric keypad. So let's just press this connect button.